There you have it. No clickbait, no faking, no nothing. I have officially been deactivated from Doordash. Why? Well, to tell you that we gotta go back in time and to a simpler time when things were much different. How did all this start? You been?
Yep, right here.
You get my message? When I see your order, it shows up as $2.50. So when you don't tip, it makes a big difference on, you know, we don't make no money. I bring it to you for free, basically.
I did not.
Hey man, why it ain't no tip on this? When it ain't no tip, I try to get them, especially when it's a hand to me, you know, so. You ordered it? How you doing? Where's the tip on the order? There ain't no tip on there. Hey, how you doing? You ever heard of no tip, no trip? Good, you order a lot of slim chickens, huh? Yeah, it ain't no tip on this order. It was no tip on there.
Good. Is Taco Bell?
Yeah, you ever heard of no tip, no trip? So, am I mad that Doordash deactivated me? Hell to the no. This is exactly what I wanted. See, I wanted to raise awareness for all these no-tip customers getting away with bagging that tip out, acting like they don't know what's going on. You gotta do an extra step to bag that tip out. I'm glad that I was able to raise awareness and expose them and show that, you know, Doordash drivers don't make no money on no-tip orders. A lot of people out there been mad that I've been doing this. I'm pretty sure I got reported by one or few or probably all the people that I confronted, which is fine, I expected. Here's the thing though, that was not my main Doordash account. Are you playing with me? I got 2 Doordash accounts. So wow, that shows you how much Doordash actually cares, because why would they allow somebody who out here confronting no-tip customers to have 2 accounts? Pretty interesting. And guess what? My main one, I still got a large order program on it. Look, none of my Doordash accounts is in my name, so I'm making money on somebody else's name, so you can't stop it. They deactivated one account, well guess what? I'm about to go get a whole new one. Damn! And they want me to continue the effort and keep confronting these no-tip customers. I'm gonna do just that, because these people need to be confronted. So I'm not gonna let this deactivation hold me back, because this was the plan. This was the plan. Monetize my YouTube channel by blowing up a Doordash account. And now that it works so well, I'm gonna blow up more Doordash accounts, as many as I can. I'm gonna confront as many no-tip customers as I possibly can, and I'm gonna get the most out of this. And I do this for y'all. I don't do this for me. I don't make no money on no-tip orders, but people like to see, and the overall experience of them not being able to confront these people themselves, my viewers and subscribers get enjoyment out of this. So I'm gonna continue this, and just this one little deactivation, I confronted probably 30 to 40 people on this one account before they deactivate. So that tells you right there that Doordash don't give a damn about their customers. How many people you think honestly reported that whole time? Probably all of them. And Doordash just now deactivating me. I've been doing this since August. So shame on you, Doordash, for just now catching on and deactivating me. Like, any customer out there that ordering through Doordash, Tony, she don't give a damn about you. Says here, your account has been deactivated. We reviewed the suspicion. We reviewed the suspicious or unusual activity found that it violated our deactivation policy. Your account has been deactivated. You can no longer access any part of the Dasher account, and your current balance will not be paid. Request a review of your deactivation account. Alrighty, so looks like we're gonna be requesting a review of our deactivation account. But honestly, look, this is exactly what I wanted. I wanted Doordash to become aware that, look, I'm out here confronting these no-tip customers, and I don't give a damn. Because obviously y'all don't give a damn. Y'all allow the customers to bag out the tip, a suggested tip, knowing that Dashers make 60 to 70, mostly all their money on tips. If you got paid just on base pay, you would literally owe money. You would literally lose money if you only got paid by base pay. So Doordash is at fault here. The customer is at fault here. I'm not gonna continue to let them get away with this. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go get me a second Doordash account. Somebody who don't care nothing about no Doordash. I'ma take only the worst orders on their account, right? And then I'm gonna confront these no-tip customers, and I'm gonna use that to leverage my YouTube account and get my YouTube channel monetized. And that's exactly what I did. And now that it's worked out so well, I'm doubling down. I'm about to get me 2-3 more Doordash accounts, and I'm about to keep it going, because these folks that got me deactivated, they think they won, but really this was my plan the whole time. By getting me deactivated, now now people gonna become even more aware of the situation. And I'm gonna get another account and another account and another account, and I'm gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep on confronting no-tip customers. We're gonna keep on recording them, and we're gonna keep on uploading those videos. Why? Because the people want to see it, and we're gonna give the people what they want. These viewers and subscribers are what's important to me, and we're gonna make sure that we're giving them the content they want to see. I got Uber Eats, Grubhub, Walmart Spark, Instacart, and I got a Doordash account. And I had an extra Doordash account to confront no-tip customers. And now that I lost that account, I still got all my other ways to make money. But the difference now is I have YouTube monetization, which I didn't have before. And I didn't lose anything by getting deactivated on that one account. I didn't have large order program on that account. I didn't have pizza bag program on that account. And this is where DoorDash is dropping the ball. If they really cared about their customers, they would make sure that I wasn't able to use multiple DoorDash accounts. They would make sure that the person who dropping off that food is actually the person who owned that account. DoorDash don't care about its customers. They don't care about their drivers. They don't care about their customers. All they care about is them fees you paying when you place that order, and the amount of orders they getting on any given day or hour. That's all they care about. And I'm proving it right now because I've been deactivated on one of my accounts, and I still got a whole nother account I can make money with. And I'm in the process of getting multiple more accounts. So who's really losing here? I'm not, because I'm still making money through the gig apps. I'm now making money through YouTube, and I done raised all this awareness for no-tip orders, and I didn't embarrass all these no-tip customers. So I'm definitely not losing. DoorDash losing because it's making them look bad on the internet. The customers who are placing these no-tip orders, they definitely losing because they being exposed. So if anybody in this whole situation is losing, it's definitely not Trader. Trader done won, okay? And now that I see that it works so well, I'm about to keep this going. I'm doubling down, tripling down, quadrupling down. I ain't playing because I see the potential. I don't even have to do DoorDash no more if I don't want to, but I am, because I want the people who actually out there that have to do it to make some money. So I'm gonna get me multiple DoorDash accounts. I may even run them both at the same time, get a no-tip order on this phone, a no-tip order on that phone, and confront both customers. We're gonna do it like that. So this is just a little update. I have been deactivated on my primary confrontation account, but that is not stopping nothing. If you wanna help support the cause and you wanna help me get a new account, go ahead, shoot me an email. The link is on my page. Let's keep this going, because DoorDash is trying to stop this movement, but we can't let them win. And the way we beat them is by keep opening up new accounts, and you keep and Trader keep confronting these people. I don't want anybody out there to put themselves in any sort of risk or danger. But if you want to help me continue my mission confronting these no-tip customers, shoot me an email and we can make that happen, because DoorDash is trying to stop it, but they ain't stopping nothing. And if I have to, I'll blow up my main account too. I said it right here. If I have to, I will blow up my main account. I'm still getting large order program on there right now. I'm still getting some pizza orders. But if I don't get another account soon, I'm gonna just blow up my main account. And if I can use that to leverage my YouTube and raise some awareness, and some people can get some value and some education out of the experiences I'm showing, well, hell, I think that'll be worth it. But I always do like to have a plan A, a plan B. So, you know, I'll try to get multiple accounts again. And DoorDash should actually use this as an opportunity to learn, and maybe they implement something to where customers can't bag that tip out. Or maybe, you know, they add a little pop-up message like, are you sure you want to bag out that tip? Custom drivers make 60 to 70% of their money on tips. If you bag out this tip, your wait time is estimated to go from 25 to an hour. Or you less likely to get this food fast if you bag that tip out. Like DoorDash has got all, you gotta click 5 different buttons to decline an offer, but you telling me you can't add an extra message in there for the customer, let them know that drivers make most of their money off the tips. Like if DoorDash really cared, they can do these simple things, but they don't care about the drivers. They don't care. They know that they have a steady stream of new drivers that don't know any better. They don't know that you don't have to take every order. They don't know miles to money. They don't know which merchants gonna take all day, which one's gonna have you waiting, which one's 95% of the time you're gonna have the order ready. DoorDash don't care about none of that. I don't care either. So if DoorDash don't care, I don't care either. And I'm gonna make sure that I'm standing up for the drivers if DoorDash won't. Let me know in the comment section down below. Should I stop confronting no-tip customers, or should I keep this movement going? Should I buckle to the pressure of DoorDash? Should I fold to the people in the comment section saying, oh, you're not right, you're gonna get deactivated? Well, guess what? I did get deactivated. I did. On my other account, I got deactivated. So now what? Should I open up more accounts? Should I, hit up my peoples, open up more DoorDash accounts and keep this going? Should I go over to Uber? Should I do that? Start confronting no-tip customers over on Uber? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think I should do. What do you want me to do? Let me know that. Because I'm going to tell you right now, I want to keep in front of no-tip customers. I really enjoy seeing the look on their faces when they see me pull up with this camera on my head and asking them these questions. I really enjoy it. I enjoy hearing them lie about how they didn't know the tip wasn't in there when they know they have to do an extra step to bag that tip out. I really, really, really enjoy to see the look on their faces when they see that I'm not handing them this food until they answer these questions. I enjoy that. So let me know, should I keep this going or should I just say, you know what? Enough is enough. Enough is enough. I can't do it no more. Let me know. What should I do? So, as you can see here, I have multiple DoorDash accounts. I have a deactivated account and I have an account that's offering a $2 peak pay. Would you look at that? So wow, that shows you how much DoorDash actually cares, because why would they allow somebody who out here confronting no-tip customers to have 2 accounts? Pretty interesting. As you can see there, I'm not hurt by this at all. I'm actually in the process of looking for more DoorDash accounts so I can keep this going because I like doing it. And these customers need to be confronted and DoorDash needs to be exposed for letting this happen. Letting these customers bag out this tip. They live 10 miles away. DoorDash want to pay $3.25 in base pay and they allow the customer to put no tip. So DoorDash don't give a damn about us. This shows you right here. I'm running multiple accounts and none of them is in my name. So I ain't losing nothing. And I just got monetized on YouTube. And that is in my name. So we're gonna keep this going. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you liking and subscribing. And I'll catch you in the next one.